Hey guys, welcome to today's class. Have fun.
Living thing. What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear the word living thing? So living things are things that move, respirate, extract, feed, grow, reproduce, and respond to the environment. Example of living thing, you can say plant and animal. They are what? Living thing. But on careful examination, you discover that plant and animal, they have important what? Differences. For instance, example of plants, we have mango tree, pawpaw, ice plant, yellow bush. Example of animal, we have cat, dog, goat, rat, etc. Can see their difference in their example. Now, differences in structure between plant and animal. Plant have roots, stem, leaf, flower, fruit, seed. Animal does not have any of this. Plant has no shape, but animal have what? Definite shape. Characteristics of living thing. We have Mr., Niger, and D. You can just say Mr. Niger D. But when we get to biology class, we have more of the characteristics. M stands for movement. Plant does not move from one place to another, but carry out bending movements. Animal move from one place to another. Respiration. Respiration can be classified into breathing and production of what? Energy in the body. Plant has no complex organ for breathing, while animal have complex organ. N stands for nutrition, what we take in, what we eat to make us grow. I stand for irritability. Animal respond quickly to change in the environment. Animal respond quickly to change, while plant respond slowly to change in the environment. G for growth. Growth in plants, they grow in length at the tip of their stem and roots, while in animal, grow in length in all parts of the body. They grow in all parts of the body. Next one, we have excretion. Plant has no complex organ for excretion. An animal has what? Complex organ for excretion. We have reproduction. There is no courtship for reproduction in plants. No courtship in reproduction. While in animal, there is usually what? Courtship in reproduction. Importance of plant and animal to man. Importance of living thing to man. Plant and animal to man. Plant provides food, serve as food to man, and serve as timber. Use timber in building of houses. Animal too serve as food to man. Animals serve as food to man. They serve as means of transportation. They serve as means of transportation, and you can also sell plants and animal to earn money. We are moving next to non-living thing. Non-living thing. We know living thing can breathe. Definitely, non-living thing can't breathe. Non-living things are useful to human beings too. The way living things are useful to human beings, non-living things are also useful to human beings. We have metals and non-metals. Metals and non-metals. Okay? So differences between metals and non-metal. Metals are shining, while non-metals are not shining. Example of metal: we have what? We have steel and we have iron. Example of non-metal: we have carbon, we have plastic. So plastic is not shining, neither carbon. But when you look at a piece of steel, discover that is what? Shining. Good conductor of heat and electricity. Why non-metal cannot conduct? They are bad conductor of heat and what? Electricity. It makes sound when iron makes sound when it. Why non-metal does not make sound when you eat them? Does not make sound when you eat them. Uses of metals and non-metals. Uses of metals and non-metals. Metals are very useful. Non-metals too are useful to man. You can use your metals in making what? Cars. You can use them in making lorries battery. You can use them also in making pole, generator, e-fitting. Why non-metals too can be used in what? In making medicine, touch battery, used in breathing, burning. You can also use non-metals in disinfecting water. Disinfecting water. Resources from living things. Resources are assets or raw material provided by nature which can be utilized by human beings for their well-being. As an example of living things, we have plants and animals. So resources from living things can also be classified as plant resources and animal resources. Plant resources include cash and food crops. Cash crops are those that bring a lot of money when sold locally or exported. Examples are rubber, cotton, cocoa, etc. While food crops are those grown mainly for food, though they may be sold locally. They include rice, yam, sweet potato, etc. Food is very important to human being. The human being use food to produce energy, for body building, repair and growth, for protection of health. Animal resources. We can get income from animal resources. They include yogurt, butter, hide and skin, used for making bag, used for making shoes, poultry products. All these products may be exported to what? Earn money. You can sell them to earn money. Economic importance of plants and what? Animal resources. Importance of plants and animal resources. Number 1, plants and animal resources provide employment for individuals. Number 2, plants and animal resources may be exported to earn money. They provide food which maintains health, which makes us grow. Production of plant and animal resources provide raw material for manufacturing what? Industry. Resources from non-living thing. Soil. Soil is a mixture of organic matter minerals, gases, liquid, and organisms that support life. Together. Component of soil: we have air, water, slate, fine sand, coarse sand, and stone. This component of soil occurs in various proportions depending on the type and the location of the soil. Type of soil: we have sandy soil. Sandy soil contains mainly sand and slate with a small percentage of clay. Number 2, loamy soil is a good mixture of large and small particles with a lot of humus. It is the best soil for farming. Loamy soil is the best soil for farming. Number 3, clay soil contain large percentage of clay than sand and slate. It retain water. Uses of soil: soil is used for producing food crops and cash crops like yam, cotton. Soil is also useful for forestry. Soil is utilized in the building of schools, houses, hospitals, etc. Soil is used for making bricks, blocks.
I hope the class was interesting. If you have questions, please drop them in the comment section or send us an email. We will love to help you further. See you in the next class.